Welcome back to our channel. So the next question is, find the area of the shader region in the figure. If ABCD is a square of side 7 centimeters. Okay. So given that ABCD is a square of side 7 centimeters and APD and BPC are semicircles. Okay. APD and BPC are semicircles. Okay. So first write the given data. Given that ABCD is square. The square of side 7 centimeters. That means AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD equal to 7 centimeters. It is given in the question. Okay, it is a square of side 7 centimeters. And APD and BPC are semicircles. So APD and BPC. Okay, these two are semicircles. Okay, so APD and BPC are semicircles. Okay, so it is asked to find the area of shaded region in the figure. Okay, so we have to find the area of this part. Okay, so we have to find the CPD, this part, and APB, okay, this part. So from the figure, if we subtract the area of this two semicircle from the area of this square, we can obtain the area of this shaded part. Okay, so from the figure it is clear that if we subtract these two parts, okay, that means if we subtract APD and BPC from this square, we can get this area of this shaded region. Okay, so therefore from the figure, area of shaded region, okay, shaded region equal to area of square ABCD minus area of two semicircles. Okay, area of two semicircles APD and BPC. Area of square. If we subtract area of two semicircles from area of square, we can get the area of shaded region. So area of square, we know that A square. Okay, where A is the side of square. Okay, minus area of two semicircles. So area of semicircle is half pi r square. Okay, so since there are two semicircles, so into 2 we are multiplying. Okay, so 2 into half pi r square. That means 2 gets cancelled. So equal to A square minus pi r square. Okay, so A square, A is the side of square, that means A value is given that 7 centimeters. Okay, so 7 centimeters whole square minus pi r square, so pi into r square, that means pi value is given that 22 by 7 to be taken. Okay, so pi, that means 22 by 7 into r square, so r is the radius of the circle. So okay, so radius of the circle, so from the figure AD is the diameter of the semicircle, that means so radius is half the diameter. Okay, so radius is half the diameter, that means 7 by 2. Okay, r square is 7 by 2 whole square. So since here, right, so radius r equal to d by 2. So it implies that r equal to 7 by 2. Okay, so equal to 7 square is 7 7 is 49. Okay, minus 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 whole square is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Okay, 7 7 get cancelled, 7 2 1 2 11 are. Okay, 49 minus, so 11 into 7 is 77 by 2 centimeters square. Okay, equal to, so 49 minus 2 3 are 6, 1 7 17, 2 8 are 16.5, 38.5 centimeters square. So 49.0 minus 38.5 can take. Okay, so 10 bar, 10 minus 5 is 5. So 8 minus 8 is 0. 4 minus 3 is 1. So okay, 10.5 centimeters square. So this is the area of shaded region. Okay, so therefore area of the shaded region is 10.5 centimeters square. So we shall discuss the next question. Okay, the next question is, in the figure OACB is a quadrant of a circle with center O and radius 3.5 centimeters. Okay, so this is the given figure. Okay, OACB, this is the quadrant. Okay, OACB is the quadrant of a circle. Okay, so if we consider a quadrant, it consisting of if we consider a circle, it consisting of 4 quadrants. So this is the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. So here it is mentioned the first quadrant. Okay, so this is the first quadrant. So we know that area of circle is pi r square. So since the quadrant is the fourth part of the circle, so we are area of the quadrant is 1 by 4th of pi r square. Okay, so given in the question, given that OACB is the quadrant with center O. Okay, center of the circle is O and radius is 3.5. That means radius of the circle is OB is 3.5 centimeters given. Okay. If OD is 2 centimeters, then find the area of the shaded region. So to find the area of the shaded region from the given figure, if we subtract this triangle from the quadrant, we can obtain the area of the shaded region. Okay. So we have to subtract area of triangle OBD. Okay, OBD. If we subtract area of triangle OBD from area of this quadrant, we can get the area of the shaded region. Okay. So first write the given data. So given that OACB is a quadrant. Okay, OACB is quadrant. Okay. So radius OB equal to here 3.5 centimeters, and OD value is given that 2 centimeters. Okay, so from the figure, okay, so since it is asked to find the area of the shaded region, so from the figure, area of the shaded region equal to area of shaded region equal to area of quadrant minus area of triangle OBD. Okay, area of triangle OBD. So area of quadrant OACB minus area of triangle OBD. Okay, so area of quadrant formula is 1/4 of pi r square minus area of triangle. We know that half base into height. Okay, half into, so base here is, we can consider base as OB, since the quadrant here angle is 90 degrees. Okay, so we can consider OB as base and OD as height. Okay, half into OB into OD. Okay, so 1/4 of pi r square. Okay, so equal to 1/4 of pi r square. So pi value it is mentioned to take that 22/7. Okay, 22/7 into r square. So radius of the circle is 3.5. Okay, so that means r square is 3.5 whole square minus half into OB value is 3.5 given. Okay, and OD is 2 centimeters. Okay, so centimeter into centimeter, it is centimeter square. Okay, so here also 3.5 centimeters whole square. So 2 2s can cancel, 2 11s are. So 1/2 into 11/7 into, so 3.5 whole square. That means 3.5 into 3.5 centimeters whole square minus 1/2 into 3.5 into 2. Okay, so 3.5 into 2, that means 7 centimeters square, or we can cancel. Okay, equal to, so 1/2 into 11/7 into, so 3.5 into 3.5, that means we can write this 3.5 as 35/10 into 35/10 centimeter square minus 1/2 into 7, that means 3.5, or we can cancel here, 2 get cancelled, that means here 3.5 centimeter square. Okay, so 3.5 centimeter square. So 7 1s are 7 5s are 5 1s are 5 2s are, can cancel. Okay, so now 11 into 35, here also we can cancel, 5 7s are 5 2s are. Okay, so 11 into 7 into 7/2 into 2 into 2. Okay, 2 into 2 into 2 minus 3.5 centimeters square. Okay, so 11 7s is 77 by 2 2s are 4 2s are 8 centimeters square minus 3.5 centimeters square. Okay, 77 by 8 is, okay, so 8 10 is 80, 8 9 is 72. So value is 7 minus 2 is 5.0. Okay, so 8 6 are 48. So after one decimal we can type 0. Okay, 8 2 is 16, 4. After one decimal we can take 1 0. Okay, 8 5 is 40. So remainder is 0. Okay, 9.625 centimeter square minus 3.5 centimeter square. Okay, so 9.625 minus 3.5. Okay, 500. 5 minus 0 is 5. 2 minus 0 is 2. 6 minus 5 is 1. So 9 minus 3 is 6. So 6.125 centimeters square. So this is the area of the shaded region. Therefore, the area of the shaded region is 6.125 centimeters square. So this is the answer.